In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar on Google Sites quickly and easily. Adding a calendar can be an incredibly useful tool for your website, whether you're using it for business appointments, showcasing events, or keeping your audience informed about upcoming activities. So let's jump right in and show you how it's done. First, you need to start by heading over to Google Sites. You can do this by opening your browser and performing a search for Google Sites. Once you've done that, what you'll want to do next is click on the first link that appears in the search results. This link will take you directly to the Google Sites homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, you'll need to select the site where you want to add your calendar. If you've already created a site, it should be visible on the dashboard. Simply click on the site to open it. If it's a new site, you may need to spend a moment configuring some basic settings before proceeding. But let's assume you've got your site ready to go. With your site open, look over to the panel on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where the action happens. Click on the Insert section, and you'll find a variety of options for what you can add to your site. To focus on our goal for today, locate the Calendar option and click on it. Now you'll be prompted to select your calendar type. Here, you have some options depending on what you want to display. You might choose from a Google Calendar you've already set up, or you have the possibility to create a new one. Take a moment to decide what best fits your site's needs. Once you've selected your desired calendar, the next step is to hit Insert. This is a crucial step because it's going to place your calendar directly onto your web page. Upon insertion, you might want to preview how it looks to make sure everything aligns well with the rest of your site. Feel free to play around with resizing or adjusting the calendar to ensure it meets all your requirements. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a calendar to your Google site. Remember, keeping your calendar updated is key to maximizing its utility, so regularly check in and make necessary updates or adjustments as your schedule evolves. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you now feel confident in integrating calendars into your Google Sites. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore the other features Google Sites offers to enhance your website.